Hello.
Do you know the history of this area?
No, would you like to tell me on camera?
Yes, with pleasure.
Yeah. Okay.
There's two famous Henrys associated with St Dunstan's.
Okay, yes.
Henry II, who had Thomas Becket beheaded in 1075.
Right.
And he came when he didn't mean him to be beheaded. So he came down from London on his horse, stopped at Harbourdown, walked here, took off his gowns, put on a hair shirt, and walked barefoot to the cathedral from St Dunstan's in 1075, 78.
Okay.
Going on 500 years, Henry VIII wanted divorces.
No, he did.
And Thomas More was very adamant, a devout Catholic, and didn't believe in divorce. So he disapproved. And of course, Henry VIII had him beheaded.
Right, okay.
Henry VIII, Thomas More's daughter, lived in the estate right across the road from here, the big building with a beautiful wooden oak door.
Oh, wow.
As you're walking down the road. That was the Roper estate. And she had soldiers get his head, her father's head, off a spike in London and bring it down. But she put it in a glass case and kept it in her bedroom. And when she was buried, it's buried under that stone and under the crypt.
Right.
Under the altar.
Yeah. Okay, yes.
And this is the picture of where her head, the head is buried behind those metal bars now.
Right, okay, yes, here.
Once used to open the crypt.
Right.
Not anymore.
No.
Because for safety.
Yes.
But that's the story.
Wow.
And it was her husband had this chapel, the Roper Chapel, built, added on, and it was the first brick building in Canterbury.
Wow, that's interesting.
So that all goes back to 1550s.
Wow. So are you a historian or are you just interested in the area?
I'm just a parishioner who's lived here for 58 years.
Wow.
I love the church.
Yeah.
And I usually sit here in St Dunstan's Day because we always have visitors. And I like to be able to tell them a little bit of the history.
Well, that's really kind of you. Much appreciate it.
Because on your way out,
yes,
I ask you to look at the last stained glass window.
Absolutely.
And find a cat.
Oh, how beautiful, a cat.
One lovely lady was a very devout.
Yes.
St Dunstan's.
Yes.
And she left money for that stained glass window.
Okay.
And because she kept cats and was very fond of cats, the glazier at the cathedral put her cat in her memorial.
Oh, that's sweet.
And as he's one of the cathedral glaziers, he can see it every day when he walks to work.
It's a nice memory, isn't it? My name's Bev, and what's your name, please?
My name's Pauline.
Pauline, nice to meet you, Pauline. God bless
you. Where are you from?
All over. Literally all over. I do a lot of house sitting. So, yeah, I do, yes.
So where's your original base?
At Leeds.
I'm a Cheshire cat and my daughter's in Otley.
Otley. Oh, is she? Oh, right, okay, that's nice.
We're going out next month.
Oh, very nice. All right, well, I'll let you go on. Thank you so much for the lesson. Thank you. Have a great day. Let's find this window.
Very nice people.
Very generous.
Yes, yes.
So this is good.
Look, I'm an analytical chemist. I'm an analytical. Yes, yes.
Is it this one?
Quite a variety of. Yes, yes.
Pleased to meet you. We are going to prize from Oxford.
Oh, yeah, there it is. I see it.